Hello and welcome to At Brookings. I'm Gigi Hinton. Members of Congress are heading out of town for the August recess, leaving the issue of health care reform far from decided. Senior fellow Sarah Binder tells us what lies ahead come this fall. And then Secretary Clinton made a trip to Africa this week, and that trip sent a powerful message, as we'll hear from senior fellow Ernest Aryeetey. All that's next at Brookings.
This is At Brookings, a review of news and events for the week of August 3rd, 2009.
When the struggle for health care reform resumes after the August recess, senior fellow Sarah Binder says there will be a display of stronger party leadership on Capitol Hill to move the effort forward and get it settled before the start of the 2010 election cycle.
Two things will be going on in the fall. First of all, as always, members are risk averse. Right? They don't want to cast controversial votes if they don't have to and if they think it's going to put themselves in electoral harm. The second thing that's going on is every month we get closer and closer to a new election in the fall of 2010, and that makes it harder to get risk-averse members to take those tough votes. And so the Democrats really have a very sort of rough road ahead of them for the fall, where I think we'll see much stronger party leadership intervention to try to knit together the various proposals that are coming out of the multiple committees.
Secretary of State Hillary Clinton was in Africa this week, just 3 weeks after President Obama made his first state visit to the continent. Their visit sent a strong and positive signal to the people of Africa, says senior fellow Ernest Aryeetey.
For many people in Africa, they've become used to seeing the U.S. leadership come to Africa late in their second term. They've seen U.S. officials come to Africa after they've done everything else everywhere. Now they've seen an administration come to Africa very early in its term, and that's a clear message that Africa is important to the new administration.
At Brookings is produced by the Brookings Institution. To learn more about the issues discussed on At Brookings, visit our website at brookings.edu.